Discover the Beurer MP70 today and treat your skin to a soothing paraffin wax bath. Perfect for hands, elbows, and feet, this generously sized device promotes healthy blood flow and deeper nourishment without any greasy mess. Featuring an orange-scented wax and adjustable temperature controls, it offers a relaxing, personalized experience. Transform your self-care routine and keep your skin soft, smooth, and beautifully maintained. You'll purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Relax and indulge with our Paraffin Spa Kit, your perfect at-home spa experience. It includes 6 blocks of hypoallergenic paraffin, wax infused with calming lavender essential oil, plus 10 pairs each of disposable gloves for hands and feet, making it easy to achieve professional salon-like results. Designed to deeply hydrate, soothe sore joints, and leave your skin soft and smooth, it's ideal for daily use or relaxing spa nights. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Teglu Paraffin Spa, your new best friend for luxurious hand and foot care. With a large 4,000 ml capacity and a spacious inner tank, you can easily immerse your hands, elbows, or feet. It heats up in just 30 minutes thanks to its upgraded 200-watt heating system, melting 350-gram blocks of paraffin wax 3 times faster. The built-in fan cools down quickly, while 3 easy-to-use modes, digital touchscreen, make it simple to customize your experience. Perfect for relaxing or giving the gift of comfort this Mother's Day. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the ultimate relaxation with the Homedics Paraffin Bath. This professional-style treatment offers therapeutic warmth to soothe sore joints and tired muscles while leaving your skin soft, smooth, and radiant. Ideal for hands, feet, and elbows, its simple operation and safety features make it easy to enjoy spa-like pampering at home. The reusable, hypoallergenic wax is gentle on all skin types, helping dry and tired skin feel nourished. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Teglu Paraffin Spa, your perfect at-home solution for soothing hand and foot care. It heats and melts 3 packs of paraffin wax in just about 40 minutes, thanks to its quick-heating aluminum liner. With a large 4-litre capacity, you can treat both hands and feet comfortably. The friendly touchscreen allows you to set the temperature between 30 and 70 degrees Celsius. It also includes overheat protection for safe usage, complete with everything you need, including wax blocks, gloves, and a silicone brush. Ideal for thoughtful Mother's Day gift. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the OrtoPrime Wax Bath, the professional paraffin heater designed for hands, feet, and elbows. It offers adjustable temperature settings to keep the wax melted for longer comfort. Perfect for easing arthritis pain, revitalizing dry skin, and promoting relaxation. This easy-to-use device provides deep hydration, improves skin elasticity, and boosts circulation. Trusted by physiotherapists, it helps with rehabilitation and long-term relief. Whether for home or professional use, experience the soothing benefits of this skin-loving wax bath. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.